Ukrainian aviation bombing Vovchansk district court the ground with all Russians inside after it came under Russian control. The same strategy like they did with the Vovchansk city hospital. Lure Russians in and bomb it. A turtle tank is destroyed with FPV drones. The first hit disabled the tank, and the other hits cooked the crew. The work of the 71st Brigade. Tankers defending the city of Chasiv Yar are titans. In the video, the crew of our tank, under massive Russian fire, is returning from a combat mission. The vehicle is damaged, but our guys didn't abandon the tank in the field. Despite the intense fire, they completed the mission and attacked the concentration of enemy infantry. Judging by the intercepted communications, they hit them hard. The crew made it back. Everyone is alive. Heroes! The Black Swan Unit. To destroy the Russian Black Sea Fleet and collect models of its ships, this is the hobby of the Chief of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, Kirilo Budanov. What are your hobbies, friends?
У мене вже інший, знаєте, інструмент розвантаження. Там подивився статистику, скільки дронів вбили сьогодні техніки росіян, і пішов в театр. От, і таке, Кирило Олексійович, як у вас?
Ну, якщо кажемо про морські дрони, у мене модельки кораблів стоять. От новий з'являється, новий. Так, сподіваюсь, колись повну полицю заставлю. Це буде означати, що Чорноморський флот закінчився.
Це задача для Лего. Зробити, Кирило Олексійовичу, всі човни.
NATO gives Ukraine the green light to go for Russia. The Secretary General of NATO, Jens Stoltenberg, made a statement to encourage Ukrainian aggression after it took out Russian missile systems stationed in Donetsk yesterday. Jens Stoltenberg. This is Russia's aggressive war against Ukraine. Ukraine has the right to defend itself. This includes strikes on targets in Russia. Explosion near the occupied Mononsk-Skadovsk photographs by the Ukrainian locals today. No more information about it is available at this time. A Russian veteran was beaten up in Belgorod. No one values the Russian war criminals. My name is Vladimir. I am an active military man. I serve in the 138th Motorized Rifle Brigade. I came on vacation to my hometown, Belgorod. On May 21st, around 22, I was severely beaten by a group of unknown persons near the Magnet store on Lermontova. I have already contacted the police and filed a report, but justice is moving too slowly. I'm not one of those people who sticks their tongue in one place and does nothing. There is some suspicion that these devils will go unpunished for a long time, which is what I am trying to correct. I dedicated my life to protecting our motherland, and what happened to me should not happen to anyone else. I ask anyone who has any information about this incident to contact me personally. Perhaps someone saw something suspicious that evening or has footage from video cameras installed nearby. Any information may be useful. The fight has moved to Cossack camp on the left bank as Ukrainians have extended their beachhead from Krinky. Shoigu declared Krinky liberated last month, by the way. Clown. Russia recruited 385,000 soldiers last year. While that figure is substantial, Ukraine is fortunately mobilizing at this moment. Oleksandr Litvinenko, Ukraine's chief of the National Security and Defense Council, informed the Financial Times that Russia enlisted over 385,000 soldiers last year. This represents a significant number and a genuine threat, but it is probable that Russia will face increasing difficulty in recruiting more troops. The substantial increase in signing bonuses across many regions suggests a challenging recruitment environment. Regardless, this remains a substantial number, and Ukraine is presently mobilizing to address the need for replacing losses in existing units, establishing new units to bolster forces at the front, and rotating units that have not yet been rotated. The fourth missile bomb attack on Kharkiv today on the central part of the city. Currently, 11 victims are known. The enemy once again hit the civilian infrastructure. There is a post office, a hairdresser, and a cafe. Russians are punishing civilians in Kharkiv for their inability to come closer to the town. War criminals and terrorists, nothing else. Just hour before this, at least 6 people have been killed and 40 injured in a Russian strike on a building materials hypermarket in Kharkiv, the oblast's governor Oleh Syniehubov reported. In a post on Telegram, Syniehubov said 2 Russian-guided bombs had hit the building, killing 2 and causing a fire covering 15,000 square meters. Russia deliberately hit a civilian object in the middle of the weekend, Ukraine's Internal Affairs Minister Ihor Klimenko said. According to a post on social media from President Volodymyr Zelensky, more than 200 people may have been inside the hypermarket at the time of the attack. 16 people remained unaccounted for, according to Syniehubov's post.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.